Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update. And what are you doing? How's it doing? Are you good? Are you fine? And the thing is, we are looking pretty good for OP right now. There's a little bit of a positivity that I can actually put out there, so this is gonna be good because nonetheless, yesterday we talked about this break to the upside, so it looks like a good buying opportunity, honestly. Okay, so you do have this touch right over here, second touch right over there, third touch right over here, went to the downside, broke it out, came down for the retest, and it's pretty much holding the retest. It's doing a very pretty damn good job. So the view at the moment is maybe back up, could go back up, come down, consolidate like this, and you are putting in the left shoulder here, the head, and you might be looking to put a right shoulder, break out, and then start to move up again. Okay, so the EMAs does show there's a big support right now, the 55 EMA. There's a big support right now, the resistance that you just broken out of. Structurally, logically, it is looking positive right now. Okay, it's looking really good. And as a matter of fact, I would like to say that it's looking to give a good entry opportunity with a stop loss down here, because you have pretty much confirmed a morning star, and that is actually very positive sign. So I will say the next technical target from here in the short term for OP could be from there to there, and you might be looking to come up to $1.3, and if you try to cross $1.3 here, then put a big tick right there, and you're looking for 1.447, and from there we're gonna have a nice amazing uprise of nearly 13%, which is pretty decent to me, not bad at all. Now the loss is going to be actually 3.2, nearly 4% down here, with the stop loss at 1.219. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on OP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, office.